Trust the universe and let go. I trust the ebb and flow of the universe. I trust that life's bigger than what I can see. I trust that there is a divine order beyond my control. And I trust that no matter what happens, I will be all right. Life can be full of worries. However, if you learn to surrender your problems to the universe, you'll find your life will be more positive and satisfying. This post originally appeared in September 2013. In the next couple months, I'd like to reshare some of the blog's more popular posts. Most of us have gone through an upsetting situation without knowing the outcome. These situations often make us feel anxious. To make our internal struggle manageable, we need to let go and trust the universe. Worrying about a situation serves no purpose. Letting go after we do everything we can possibly do is the answer. When we let go, we are saying to the universe, okay, I trust that the outcome is going to be for my highest good and I will get through this situation. Letting go, keeping your thoughts positive, and trusting the outcome will free you from stress, anxiety, and inner turmoil. Before you let go, it may be beneficial to process your unpleasant feelings. If not, your feelings are likely to resurface. Then you will want to take back what you just let go. I see this very often with my patients. Try this quick visualization that will help you to get rid of unpleasant feelings. Sit or lie in a comfortable place where you can keep your eyes closed for 10 minutes. See yourself walking down a flight of stairs. At the bottom of the steps is the situation that you are facing. Once you are at the bottom of the steps, give yourself permission to fully express how you currently feel. Allow yourself to process all of your feelings. Do this without judging yourself. Once you fully express your feelings, begin walking back up the steps. Then see a hose going down to the middle of the earth that is connected to your feet. Healing energy in the form of various colors is coming through the hose and going in your body. Take in as much of the healing energy as you need. Now surround your whole body with white light. Immerse yourself in this light for a few minutes. When you are ready, open your eyes. After you do this visualization, you will feel more peaceful. At this point, tell yourself, I am trusting that the universe will take care of this situation and that the outcome will be for my highest good. Take a few minutes to think about an upsetting situation in the past, where the outcome was different than what you originally wanted, and now you are so grateful for that outcome. Even if you are going through a difficult situation, in the future when you look back at the outcome, you will see it was for your highest good. Keep in mind that negative feelings are temporary. Let go and trust the universe. You can't expect to prevent negative feelings altogether. And you can't expect to experience positive feelings all the time. The law of emotional choice directs us to acknowledge our feelings but also to refuse to get stuck in the negative ones. Greg Anderson. If you found this post helpful, take a look at listening to your intuition, and learn how to trust yourself and stand up for yourself, without allowing anyone to convince you what you are thinking, feeling, or doing is wrong.